What's up guys, AJ here with EcoFlow, and it's the holiday season, baby. We're gonna be cooking some pumpkin pie with the Delta Pro. Let's get started. All right, so we have all of our ingredients here. We got pumpkin pie spice, we got pumpkin, we've got evaporated milk, we've got some salt, and we've got some sugar and butter as well. We also have the frozen pie crust in the fridge already. We'll be bringing those out in a minute, so let's get rocking. All right, in a large bowl, beat sugar, pumpkin pie spice. Okay, so we just toss everything in here. Let's do it. We need 3/4 cup of sugar. Let's get this out here. Next is, I taste that. Next, we need 1 1/2 teaspoons. Don't have a half teaspoon, so we're gonna use 2/4 teaspoons of the pumpkin pie spice. Oh, that smells like Thanksgiving. And we also need a half teaspoon of salt, which again, we don't have the half teaspoon, so we're vibing. That was kind of a lot. There we go. And we need to open this whole can of pumpkin pie mix. Let's go. Forgot the can opener, so using a multi-tool. Going rugged today. This is taking a long time. This is not ideal. Definitely get a can opener next time. Oh my God, I need a break. Jeez. Did not expect, oh no. We have the evaporated milk too. Okay, that's good enough. And grab a little spoon here. All right, golden. Oh no, okay, now we gotta go for the evaporated milk now. Okay, this should be good enough. I'm just gonna pour it out of this because that's hurting my arm. Okay, so I only need a cup and 1/4 cup. Don't know how much I just put in there, so we're just gonna wing it. Eggs. Grab some eggs here, pop these bad boys in. Nice. All right, next let's blend this baby up and see how it looks. It might need more evaporated milk. Might have too much in there. Let's find out. Beautiful. Now let's plug this guy right into the battery here. All right, that's coming together nice. And we got like 80 watts happening right here. This thing's handling it like a champ. Max power! Oh, that's splattering everywhere. All right, now that we are blended, let's go get these pie crusts. All right, let's get this all set up here. Oh, there we go. Oh, this looks good. Oh no, all the mixing is on the bottom. Well, I didn't mix it good enough. Got some extra sugar on the bottom. That's gonna be good. Nice. And we're gonna be a little fancy. Let's just sprinkle a little extra pumpkin spice on here. Oh. All right, so next we are going to get the air fryer out. We're gonna pop this guy, put it on bake. We're gonna bring this guy over. Okay, so we're gonna do bake. All right, we need to heat it up to 425. All right, close enough. I don't think I can go higher than that on this, so there we go. Now she's preheating. Get that all hot and ready. We're gonna toss it in. Oh, dude, look at that. It's got like 1,500 watts going. We are preheated. Pop this back down at 350, and we will be good to go. All right, let's bring this boy over. Ooh, she's steaming. Woo, perfect fit. Let's go. Now we are going to put time on here. 40 minutes. Let's go. Woo, we did it. We don't have whipped cream. No. All right, I'm gonna run to the store real quick and we'll be back. Oh, it's still good. Oh my God, it smells so good in here. Oh, I'm very excited for that. Yo, very excited. We got the whipped cream. Let's get this baby off. What do we got? 8 minutes left on here. Let's check it out. Ooh, turn that light. Oh, that looks good. That looks so good. All right, yum. Okay, so next we are just gonna, did I need butter? Did I forget butter? No, we're good. Oh, It's a butterless recipe. Oh God, ain't no way we're not gonna try this. Mmm. Oh, that's so good. I think we're ready. Let's check it out. Ooh, nice. Ooh, oh, a little burnt, a little crisp. Ow, ow. That was hot. Little burnt, little crisp. All right, we're gonna let this sit. And we'll cut us a slice in a minute. I just can't wait any longer. We gotta taste this right now. Okay, okay. Like I said, doesn't look professional, but hopefully tastes professional. Oh no, oh no. Oh, not bad, not bad, not terrible. Definitely if we waited, it would like stick together better if we waited a little bit, but we don't got time for that. All right, let's get this drowning and give it a taste. Yo, dude, that's actually really good. That's super good. I was worried about having too much condensed milk and if I ruined it. And then I thought we didn't have butter, but we didn't need butter. And the best part, we're still at 82%. So this thing will last you a long time. Probably cook you a whole Thanksgiving meal if you wanted to. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Cooking with AJ with the Delta Pro. Cheers.